today coming to this shop, a freaking shop. So they've got a fridge and the fridge is not working, so I'm coming to fix it. It's 13 and low gas, so I must find out why is low gas. Probably is leaking. Let's see. Gauge on. I put the gauge on and it comes to -1, which means somewhere is leak and soaking. Definitely it has a leak. No gas on it. When I put the gauge on, low side is came -1.
Yes.
So I suspected the leak, so I add the 20 bar nitrogen on the unit and waiting and checking for finding any leak or not. Very old fridge and very complicated to find the leak. Somewhere is broken, so I must change the filter dryer and replace old one with this one. Let's see what happens. Complicated. Here's the nitrogen, cut the filter dryer, and I must replace a new one. Just adjusted, now brace. I must brace the filter. Brazing finished. New filter dryer. 3-way. New one is 3-way. You can use this service valve, Schrader valve, for top of nitrogen or measure the high side. Just with the problem, I changed the I changed the filter dryer and I put the nitrogen on it. After that, I put the and let the nitrogen out and vacuum process. After vacuum process, I check double side and I suspect it's not right, so I take it out, this one, and put the pressure on it as well, and this one was fine, and I brace again and release that side of capillary tube, and 15 bar in a high side, but nothing comes from here, so capillary tube has completely blocked. And I told the customer he will bring the capillary tube next time. I will fix it. Definitely capillary tube is broken and blocked. Yeah, see, nearly 16 bar, 15 bar pressure nitrogen is in there, but capillary tube is blocked. I came with capillary tube, so the plan is taking out the capillary tube, the old one because it's blocked, and fix the new one. So we take out the capillary tube and we must completely find out the length, and we must same length measure it and cut it. So I'm going to measure this one with that one. So I measure it and we need cuts from here. Yeah. And as you can see, is blocked here. I cut it lots of things to come across. You see if I can. Yes, you can see the block, the capillary tube. Oof. It's fine here. Brace the new capillary tube as well. So here and here's the filter dryer. So let's put the nitrogen to the unit. Right, 20 bar nitrogen on the system. After for a while, vacuum. Purging the nitrogen. After that, vacuum process. System under the vacuum process. The gauge coming down. Now, add the refrigeration gas on the unit. So here says refrigerant R134A, amount 630 gram. So we must add 630 gram refrigeration gas on the unit. 0. Now open the valve, air purge, and let the gas go to the unit. 630 gram. I turn the unit on, and from the suction line soaking the gas, this goes 160 gram, nearly 500 gram, and evaporator getting cold, as you can see. 615 gram refrigeration R34A to the unit. Add 630 gram refrigeration gas on the unit, and evaporator's fan is working. As you can see, is cold coming through. I'm gonna put a lid of evaporator on it to circulation cold within inside the fridge.